Hello, good day, guys. How we doing? Hope we're having a very lovely and beautiful day. So today we're going to be discussing about advanced market structure. This is going to be the third video on advanced market structure, and it's going to be the last before we talk about church. That's change of character, which we've talked about first, but we're going to talk about it in a more advanced way. The way we've talked about market structure before, and we're talking about it in a more advanced way. All right. So now let's continue with market structure. Now, remember I said in market structure, I'm basically talking about the bullish market and the bearish market. And in the bullish market, I'm majoring on the higher highs and the higher lows. While in the bearish market, I'm majoring on the lower highs and the lower lows. So I'm not necessarily talking about anything about the range market because I'm going to be touching just a few things about it, but not in this video, because the bullish and the bearish market is what we want to be trading. You don't want to be dealing with the range markets, all right? You want to see the market choose a direction, either going up, giving you higher highs and higher lows, so you can be able to enter the market and buy, or going down, giving you lower highs and lower lows, so you can be able to enter the market and sell. But if the market is just going sideways like this, you won't be able to enter the market. It's not advisable to enter the market in those kind of trends. Why? Because you are not buying, the market is not buying, it's not selling. And there are only two buttons that can give you profits in your MetaTrader: buy and sell. There's no range button. You understand? So now let's go to the business of today. Now, entering our screen now, we see the market is clearly bullish. You understand? But now we want to identify the higher highs and the higher lows. All right. So I'll be using a trend line. All right. A trend line will help us understand this thing very well. I don't want to use line charts. I still want to use candlestick. All right. I still want to use candlestick to illustrate what I'm about to say, but I'll be using trend line for us to know where the exact higher high is and where the exact higher low is for the bullish market, and also in the bearish market where the exact lower high is and where the exact lower low is. Before we continue, why am I emphasizing on higher highs and higher lows, and why am I emphasizing on lower highs and lower lows? The thing is just that if I don't teach about these things, when we start talking about where to enter the market from and how to maximize your profits, if you don't understand all these lower lows and lower highs, it will look like a gimmick. It will look like you are saying what you're saying does not really add up. You understand? It will look kind of complicated to you. But if you understand this basic higher highs, higher lows properly, it will be easy for you to navigate through entries and know where to enter the market, have a point of interest and stuff like that. So now, without too much admonishments, let's go straight to the business of today. So now, we've identified a high and a low. Let's bring out our trend line. All right. We have a high here. All right. Now this is a high. Then we have a low here. This is going to take a bit of time, but just pay good attention. All right. Now we have a higher high here. All right. I just want it to be perfect for us so we understand it very well. Okay, we have a higher high, higher low. Where is going to be our next higher high? We want to see price break above this guy here. I want to see price break above our last higher high. Once price break above that higher high, it is not the next swing you are going to mark as your higher high. You're going to mark your higher high in the highest of swing that started the retracement that gives you the next higher low. So this is going to be your next higher high here, not this one. All right, this is going to be your next higher high here. So we'll bring out our tool, our trend line. I'm just doing this in a practical way so you understand the whole concept of advanced market structure. All right, so you have a higher high here, you have a higher low here. All right, now where's our higher low now? Now your higher low is going to be, see something here. Hold on. Once price has given you your higher high, first of all, once that's giving you a higher high, please pay attention to that level there, because anytime price breaks above it to the upside, it's giving you a good bullish validation, because it's going to create another higher high. You understand? So now, where is your higher low? This is your higher low here. All right. This is not your higher low. The lowest place in the trend, as long as it didn't break below the last higher low, but the lowest place is your higher low. All right, that lowest place before the next higher high. All right, this was not the lowest place. This was the lowest place before the next higher high. So that's your higher low. All right. And remember what I said. You want to be buying. You want to be buying at your higher lows. You want to be buying at these levels here. You want to be buying at these levels here. You don't want to come and be buying at the higher high. You understand? If you buy at the higher low, it's going to give you a more risk to reward. You understand? Because this expansion is going to be yours. I'll be teaching you guys how to enter after the change of market character. We're going to explain in the next video. All right. So where's your next higher high now? Now you wait for price has broken above this. Now this was the highest place before price started retracing. So this is your next higher high here. Hope this thing is becoming simple for us now. All right, this is your next higher high here. All right, so you see those times I used to give examples in my sketchboard, and you see price move perfectly. No, price does not move perfectly like that. This is the real deal here. This is where we're working with candlestick. All right, so right now this is the higher high. This is the lowest part that broke above this higher high here. Let's keep our horizontal line there. All right, let's keep our horizontal line in check. I hope we're understanding now. All right, this is the highest place. That's your higher high, and this is the lowest place this was the lowest place before price actually really broke above this. So this is not your higher low. This is not your higher low. This is not your higher low. This here is your higher low. All right, so mark that place here like this. All right, so this is the last video we're doing on advanced market structure, so just have a little patience and understand these things properly. Hope you're understanding it now. Hope you're understanding how to mark your higher highs and your higher lows now. They are going to be very important when you start dealing with entry models and where to enter a trade from. That price will not wipe you out, so you will not blow your accounts. You understand? So now you see how the thing is. You see how the thing is worked now. And now this place is somewhat complicated. Now I want you to pay attention here. Now you have your higher low, your higher high. Now you wait, you bring your two end time price comes, price broke above this guy here. All right. So where will be our higher low now? I want us to pay attention. It's our higher low here, here, or here. I will give it 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right. So this is our higher low here. This is our higher low here. So this is it here. Now you see if you mark your if you mark your structure like this, it makes things easy for yourself. Now it does not mean you're going to, with time, you would not need to be clumsy, like making your chart clumsy like this by adding trend lines to it. With time you'll have this eagle eyes to be able to read everything. But as a beginner, you have to pay attention to this thing. All right. So this is your higher high here. That was the highest place. All right. All right. See what happened here. Now we can see something here. We've marked our higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then higher high. You understand? This, assuming price broke above this high again. Price broke above this high. Like price broke above this high here. We will have said price is giving us a valid bullish trend, giving us another new higher high. But price didn't break above it. See what happened? Price, we would not mark it as a higher low. Why? Because until it has broken above this level here to the upside, then we can finally say here is our higher low. But price didn't break above it. Instead, see what price did. It retraced close to it, then finally broke past the last higher low. And when price has broken below the last higher low, that's what we call change of market character. So price has basically change character like this. So what is change of character? Like I said before, change of market character is when the market changes character from the bullish market to the bearish market, or from a bearish to a bullish. All right. So this was the lowest swing before price started retracing back into that range. So this is your new lower low. Remember, price has broken the last higher low. Price has changed character already. All right, so this is your lower low now. Now this is a bearish trend now. Remember, the market breaks and the market changes character from time to time. sometimes the trend might not even be long like this. It might not create many higher highs like this and higher low before changing character. You understand? See something for instance now, this bearish trend, it was short-lived. See what I mean by that? It gives you your higher low, your lower low, then the highest point, your lower high. See something, unless if the market breaks higher than this previous higher high here, then it's no longer a bearish trend again. It is now a bullish trend back. It has changed character back to a bullish trend. Expect a change of character from time to time, because that's basically what the market does. The market cannot continue going bearish forever, and it cannot continue going bullish forever. All right. So you have your lower high, lower low, and see what happened here. Sorry. Let's bring out our horizontal line. So we want to see price break below this level here, so we can say that, okay, we have a new lower low. But see what happened. Price didn't give us a new lower low. So price just ranged here a bit, then finally broke above this lower high here. All right, and it gave another new bullish trend again, and that's how market continue breaking structure up down. But that's this bearish trend was short-lived, or understand? Yeah, so this was where it's changed character here. All right, this was where it's changed character here. Let me reduce this, my horizontal line. Sorry, this was where it's changed character at this point here, where we had a higher high and we're expecting a higher low before another higher high, but price decided to break below the last higher low. So that was basically a change of character. All right, so now this is basically all you need to know about market structure. Any other thing you want to learn is complementary. All right, don't overcomplicate your trading journey. Don't overcomplicate it. And in case you're asking this question, that all this technical analysis we'll be learning, how we're going to merge everything in making the money, it's more of like, keep on getting the knowledge. You understand? How you're going to make the money is based on how much you know about the financial markets. All right, so if you learn all this technical analysis finish and you know how to trade proper, the money will come little by little. Like I will always say on the every time word for the day for the Panorama Forex Academy, Forex is an investment vehicle, not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you treat Forex like that get-rich-quick scheme, it's going to burn you, it's going to hurt you, you're going to lose a lot of money. I'm not trying to scare anybody. This is just the actual truth. You understand? And if you treat Forex like an investment vehicle, it's going to bless you. You understand? So in as much as you're learning Forex, learn about money also. All right? Learn about investments, learn about business. Allow your mind to be educated. All right? So that's basically that about that. All right, so next video, we're going to be talking about CHOCH, C-H-O-C-H, basically change of character. All right, so cheers and God bless. See you in the next video. And keep on studying.